How to use Apple gift card on Temu. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, launch a browser and search for temu.com or just tap open your Temu application if you have installed in your device. First step is to log in into your Temu account. Once you are logged in your Temu account, then you need to purchase an item of your Temu. So starting off, just go ahead and check out from the wide variety of items that Temu have to offer. For the sake of this video, I'll be purchasing one of this item. Select any that you prefer. Now in here, select on add to cart, select the quantity and type or color. Then you'll be redirected to the payment section. Select on the checkout option. Now at the top you will see order summary and at the bottom you will see enter coupon, in which you can go ahead and enter the gift card number. Then you will see substantial discount as well. All you have to do is tap on submit order next. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.